trying to get you propped up. Okay. Day off. Fuck this bullshit. We're gonna get some waves. I hope the fire isn't too bad because that's where I'm headed. Fuck this bullshit. Oh god damn, is my garage snort. Ah! Once in a while my garage door doesn't respond. Okay. You want to see this experience with me? Okay. So I have this is fucking corporations for you. We used to make things to last. We don't anymore. God damn it. Fuck's sake. My garage door won't close. Alright, let's go, bitches. God damn it. It's my day off. I got one fucking day off. One day off. I'm trying to get down to the beach so I can get a little sun. You know what I think I'm going to do is... Gosh, okay, so you see it? This is what I'm looking at. I have to... I have to lower the door automatically. Not automatically, manually. That's what I'm talking about. And then I have to latch it back up. And I can't do it by the pull cord because that never fucking works. So I have to figure out something I can stand on to get tall enough to do this. Usually I have a pile of wood down here, and I don't today. Also trying to find a pocket for my keys. Okay, it's a small pocket, but I think I can shove it in here. Oh, god damn. Why do days off have to be so fucking stressful? This should be like my literal day off where I'm like relaxing and getting better. Oh, god damn. Fuck's sake with all this bullshit. I literally have 10 years ago in this fucking garage because I conserve everything, and that motherfucker left me with so much shit. Okay, I might be able to see. Oh, Christmas. It says Christmas. What's in this box? Hold up. Damn. I don't recognize anything. This must have been my ex-boyfriend's. I don't think I've like looked at this in like a decade. Okay, hold up. Oh, fuck's sake. God damn, I hope I can stand on this. All right. Okay. All right, that's locked. I don't know what this Christmas box is. Fuck's sake, this is my life, y'all. And the bikini won't stay up because I'm an old lady. And, you know, I'm droopy and shit. Okay. Okay. Now I gotta come back and get my car. I have to disarm the system. Okay, you're gonna have to pause for a second because, oh no, I can do it from the console. I'm not good with staircases. My knees hurt. For fuck's sake with this bullshit.
Ready to arm.
I'll go to the beach, y'all. I meant to go early. Oh, I got this porch light on, so we have Santa Ana winds today. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay, I might have to pause for a second so I can rearm. I'm rearmed. Why is everybody in our lives acting so fucking crazy that we can't do normal things? Because they're like, I'm gonna infect you with my bullshit. I'm gonna wear a mask. I'm not gonna wear a mask. And I'm gonna get right the fuck up into your face. Like, it's so difficult to just keep yourself safe. And everybody's dealing with, like, emotional issues over this now. And it's the most crazy thing ever. That, like, everybody's acting crazy. You can't even just have, like, a gentle dispute with somebody before they're like, well, fuck off and fuck you and the horse you rode in on. Oh my God, even. Okay. That's why I sing a lot, because it just relieves stress. God damn, I really just want to go to the beach. And I don't know where this fire is. Instead. God damn, it's my one day off a week.